Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the platform. We're taking a look at ViaBTC, found at https://www.viabtc.com. This platform offers a range of services, and it's important to do your own research and due diligence before engaging with any cryptocurrency platform. Remember, the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, so staying informed is crucial. ViaBTC provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. It's essential to understand the fees associated with each transaction and the security measures in place to protect your assets. When using any exchange or trading platform, consider factors like transaction speed, customer support availability, and the overall user experience. ViaBTC has a history in the crypto space, and it's important to explore that history and understand its evolution. User reviews and independent research can offer valuable insights. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets, so be sure to familiarize yourself with ViaBTC security protocols, including two-factor authentication and other safeguards. The platform may also offer various tools and resources, such as charting tools and market analysis, which can be beneficial for traders. Navigating the cryptocurrency market can be complex, and platforms like ViaBTC aim to simplify the process. However, it's always wise to proceed with caution and conduct thorough research. Before committing any funds, understand the risks involved and consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly. Be prepared for potential losses and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This overview is not financial advice, it's simply a look at the ViaBTC platform and its features. Remember, the cryptocurrency landscape is dynamic, so staying updated with the latest information is essential. Always prioritize security and make informed decisions based on your own research.